Right, you shouldn't do this at home. Not with this machine anyway. So I'll have a go, you know me. I brought the worst wheel home. The worst one. We'll just give it a whirl. It's not going around nice because these fucking weight things. Well, she's having new tyres anyway, so obviously they do this when they balance them anyway. You see this side is a lot worse. A lot. This is the worst wheel. I only brought the worst one home anyway. Yeah, that should spin a bit better now. Okay. Well, yeah, it would, it could. All the rest we can do with a hand operated job. But let's just have a quick look inside here and see what we can do. This is the bad one, as I said. Yeah, I think that'd be alright. Can I get in there? Definitely not, it's not for the weak-hearted. Alright? But as you know, I'm a certified nutcase, so I think it's passable. You know, obviously now a little bit of TLC with the other grinders. I think they're all fixable. Just get back in there one more time, I'll be out there. What I'm doing is moving it up against the vice, just to give you a little bit of health and safety down there. There's a vice. My advice to you. That's about the only thing is you get a fucking mouthful of rust. But fair dues, it's working pretty good. I mean, for a half hour we've done pretty good. Let's just try this one because it's pretty new. I know these come from China, so they're not that good and they're not that safe. What happens is, if I can get that out of there, which will probably be like that, but they're only like riveted in there, this stem, and eventually it just spins and does fucking nothing. So put that down there. I did actually beat this one with a chisel and an hammer because of that said problem. But that's not bad, Billy boy. That's not bad. I'm quite happy with that. You know, it's not finished. I could stand here for another half hour, I dare say, but I think we could just put it on the drill, especially that one. Put that on the drill and I can angle it better into the bits I can get at with these. So we'll call it a day, I think. See, it's brown. It is brown, but it's not like pigskin. It is nice and shiny. So, no, there's no health and safety issues. If there's any health and safety issues here, it's probably somebody typing with a fag in his mouth, you know what I mean? Somebody telling you health and safety with smokes like a fucking trooper. I'm trying to get right down in that crack in there. Yeah, it does come out anyway. It does come out. We got a couple of bits of paint left on here, but minor. 10 minutes work now. Yes, I'm a noisy bastard. There you are. Well, close to the spraying stage. So I've missed a bit here and there. Not a lot. Compared to what it was. Compared to what it was, it's pretty good. He was in a rush.